Twine Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to this review of the Twine Freelancer platform. Links to the platform are included in the description below, so check them out to explore Twine for your freelancing or hiring needs. In this video, I'll cover Twine's features, target audience, and how it delivers value for both freelancers and businesses. Twine is a versatile platform designed to connect creative professionals with businesses in need of high-quality creative work. It specializes in industries such as graphic design, video production, animation, music, and content writing. Whether you're a freelancer looking to showcase your portfolio or a business searching for skilled creatives, Twine provides a user-friendly interface to bridge the gap efficiently. For freelancers, Twine offers a free profile setup where you can showcase your work through a portfolio that highlights your skills and past projects. What makes Twine unique is its community-driven approach, allowing freelancers to network, collaborate, and share ideas with other creatives. Additionally, freelancers can set their own rates, giving them control over their earnings while benefiting from a straightforward job matching system. Businesses using Twine can post project briefs for free and receive tailored proposals from freelancers. The platform's robust filtering tools help businesses identify the right talent quickly, saving time and effort in the hiring process. Twine also supports secure payments through its escrow system, ensuring peace of mind for both clients and freelancers during collaborations. One standout feature of Twine is its transparent pricing model. There are no hidden fees or surprises. Freelancers and clients are charged fair rates, making it an accessible platform for startups, small businesses, and individual professionals seeking cost-effective solutions. Overall, Twine is ideal for creative professionals looking to expand their client base and businesses in need of custom creative work. Its focus on quality, simplicity, and transparency makes it a valuable platform for both parties. If you're ready to elevate your freelancing career or hire top-tier creatives, Twine is worth considering. Don't forget to explore the links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.